Today again, I've changed the look of my NFR Forte by swapping out the side lip and also installing the front canards. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in my previous video, I have cut my rear bumper and that has changed the rear end look of my NFR Forte. And today I'll be focusing on the front end of my NFR Forte. I will be also swapping out my side lip, so which means the right lip will go to the left and the left lip will go to the right. And the fin of the lip will not be at the rear wheel, it will be at the front wheel. So today, right now, I'm at the workshop. I'll be getting them to swap out my side lip. So I'm very looking forward to see the new look of my NFR Forte. Alright guys, so I've made it back from the workshop, and earlier on I was at the workshop getting those guys to swap my side lip, and this was actually the left lip. So the left lip has gone to the right and the right lip has gone to the left, and also previously the fin of the lip is located at the back of the car. So right now it's at the front, and with the fin at the back of the car, it doesn't look very nice with the bumper cut. And the reason why I want to swap my side lip is because I want the focus to be at the front end of my NFR Forte, and also because of the bumper cut. So right now when I'm standing at the side of the car, the side lip, it looks very nice and the flow is really smooth towards the back of the car and then to the rear bumper. So earlier on in the video, you guys must be seeing something at the front of my car, and yes, these are the canards which I bought for my NFR Forte, and these canards are very cheap. It only cost me about $10 over for a pair of 4. I've also prepped the canards by drilling holes so that it will be easier for me to make the marking and also to drill holes on my bumper, because I'll be using the bolts to install the canards onto my front bumper. Another way to install the canards is to stick the double-sided tape, but double-sided tape will not last sticking on the front bumper when you're driving at a really high speed, because the wind will force the canards to fly off from the car. So that's the reason why I've decided to use the bolts to secure the canards onto my front bumper. So right now I'm going to make some markings on the bumper so that I'm able to drill a holes and then install the canards onto my front bumper. And right now, let's get started. Let's go! Wow! Right now, with the canards on my front bumper, it makes my NFR Forte looks really awesome and aggressive. Nice! This kind of canards are universal, so it doesn't fit really nice on the bumper, and as you guys can see, there are gaps between the canards and the front bumper, so there won't be a 100% fit over there. Since these kind of canards are universal, you just got to buy it and try it to fit on the bumper to make sure it fit really nice on the front bumper. I'm sure it doesn't fit on certain cars, as different cars has different kind of front bumper, and the shape and the size are also different. It's pretty easy to install the canards. You just have to make the hole marking and then drill the holes on the bumper and then install the canards onto the front bumper. So right now, one side of the canards has been installed. I'm going to work on the left side of my NFR Forte, and I can't wait to see the full installation of canards on my NFR Forte. Alright guys, so the left canards have been installed, and I'm lost of words after seeing the canards. So the canards have been fully installed onto my NFR Forte, and with the new look, right now I'll be heading out for some photo shoots of my NFR Forte. Right now, with the canards on the front bumper, it has totally changed the look of my NFR Forte. So be it on the left of the car or on the right of the car, in all angles, my NFR Forte, it looks really aggressive. So if you guys are planning to buy this front canards for your ride, it comes with 3 different colors. First is matte black, second is gloss black, and third one is carbon fiber print. But the carbon fiber print, it looks not as nice as the actual carbon fiber because it looked very fake. It looked very different from the 5D carbon fiber wraps and the actual carbon fiber material like my GT wing. So my GT wing is full carbon fiber, and this is the JS Racing full carbon fiber GT wing. So before I got on this GT wing, I'm contemplating whether to get the Vortex Type 5 GT wing because it looks more aggressive, but the length of the GT wing is 1800 mm long, which means the side plate of the GT wing will be protruded out from the car, and this will make the car looks really small with a big wing. So I've decided to install this JS Racing wing because the length of this wing is only 1400 mm and it fits really nice on my NFR Forte. So what I have done today, I have swapped my side lip, installed the front canards, and that has totally changed the look of my NFR Forte. So the purpose of me installing the front canards is for aesthetical enhancement, it's not for downforce. So if you would ask me how much downforce will be generated by this front canards, I would say probably 2 to 3 kg. But of course, having more downforce at the front end is not a bad thing because this will reduce the understeer issue, improve your cornering speed when you're driving on the track. So today, after installing the front canards, I'm really proud of myself because I did a great job by installing the front canards, and all the angles, all the alignment and the height of the front canards on both sides, it looks symmetrical. There's no difference in height and angle and also alignment. So for those of you who have made it this far in this video, I'll be going to the Sepang International Circuit next week, and I might be removing my GT wing because a lot of you have been telling me GT wing will increase air drag and there won't be any improvement on my lap time. So probably during my next visit to the track, I'll be removing my GT wing to try it out to see if there's any improvement on my lap time. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Today again, I've changed the look of my NFR Forte by swapping out the side lip and also installing the front canards. Being a car enthusiast, being a bike enthusiast, we constantly want our ride to look great and also the performance of our ride. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye!